Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded and everybody's been asking for a Jeep update. This is a big one, not clickbait. This might be the last video of the Jeep you're gonna see. Let's see how it's doing after a few months. Video in a couple months, just for the summer. I had visiting family and a lot going on this summer. It's been a great year. The paint has been holding up great. It's super easy to clean. Everybody was asking about that. How is the clean? How is it to keep the soft top clean? Everything's been perfect on it. No chips, no scratches, no peeling. It gets looks everywhere it goes. But sadly, this might be the last video you see of it. Just weighing my options. I wanted to get out of the Jeep for a little bit and go into something else. I love the Jeep. It's been great through and through. It's just, I don't know, it's time for a change. And hopefully you guys will like it. I don't want to give away what I'm getting just yet, but I will say this, it is not another Jeep, and it is not a pickup truck. I'm going back to a car for a little while. Hopefully you guys like it. I'll go into more details once I get there, but here's just a quick walk around. You know, the paint has not, the Raptor liner has not faded. It's still the same as it was day one. Still looks great. Hopefully whoever's watching this, if you guys pick this up as a trade-in in South Florida, hit me up. We'll go over everything that was done to it. But yes, sorry to say, guys, I think this is going to be leaving the driveway today. Hopefully you'll like what's coming in though. Let me get ready, head off to the dealer, and I'll touch base in a few minutes. So this is it, guys. Trading in the Jeep. What do you guys think I'm getting? I don't know if you guys expected this, but this is going to be the new Mogavero 2017 Corvette Stingray LT1. It's a 7-speed manual. What do you guys think? It's a big change. Okay guys, so the Jeep is gone. The Vet is home, and I already have some mods planned for it for the channel. Hopefully you guys stick around. If not, you know, stay tuned for other Jeep videos in the future that might be happening. Some of the mods that I have planned already, the stock suspension sits a little high. There is about an inch of adjustment to it. I'm going to be lowering the car about an inch. Other than that, someone on Facebook Marketplace is giving away a front splitter for the front bumper. I'm going to be picking that up, adding that to the Corvette. And I'll just give you a daily breakdown of what it's like to drive one and own one. Thus far, I put about 100 miles on it. Only used a little bit over a quarter tank of gas. Not really beating the crap out of it too bad, but I have been giving it a little gas just to see what it could do. It's really impressive. More videos to come, guys. As always, this is Mogo, where I show you everything that I do to my Vet now. How am I going to go topless? The Corvette is a hardtop Targa coupe. And this is something I think Jeep should have done. A way for the hardtop panels to fit perfectly in the back without moving. Comes out really handy.